Using Supplemental Data Manager, you can gather transactional details for summary data within financial consolidation and close and tax reporting. To get started, select Supplemental Data under Application. Supplemental Data Manager leverages the dimensions defined within your business process. You can add additional dimensions that are required to gather all the attributes in your data collection. Use collection intervals to specify the dimensions or the point of view based on which you want to collect data. This collection interval is used to collect data for a certain year, period, and corporate region. The supplemental data form will be segmented and organized based on the workflow dimensions selected. Create collections to specify the details you want to collect. Here, you can select the collection interval. Select or create the attributes that you want included in the collection. The key must be a dimension. You can create sub-collections under a collection to group information related to a collection. In this example, we are calculating sales commission expense. The details in the header are the collection, and the line items in the Sales VP Details section are the sub-collection. Create a sub-collection by creating a new collection and selecting the sub-collection checkbox. Then, choose the collection that holds this sub-collection. Data is collected using forms that are created based on form templates. A form template is organized in sections. So, when creating a form template, use the Section tab to design the form template in sections. Sections make up the form definition or layout. Under columns, specify the data fields for a section. The user uses data fields to enter data within the form. Group by is used to summarize the line item details like a pivot table. Mappings define the specific location within the business process application where the summarized data should be posted. Use workflow to schedule timelines and the common workflow for all the collection forms. Workflow assigns specific users to work on each form. The integrator is the user who will post the data from supplemental data to your business application. Additionally, you can define a common set of instructions, add questions to gather additional details on the forms, and indicate which users can view all the forms. After creating a form template, you can deploy data collection forms to a collection period. Once the data collection period is open, the workflow for the forms will begin. Then, select the form templates that you wish to deploy. Provide confirmation on the deployment details and deploy the forms. The form preparer will be notified by email when their data collection tasks start. Users can access their tasks from the embedded link within the email or from the status pane or the tasks card on the home page. After the preparer enters the required data within the form and provides any required task information, the preparer submits it for approval. Once submitted, the approver will be notified that the data collection task is awaiting their approval. After the approver reviews the data and task details, the approver either approves the task or rejects the task, which sends it back to the preparer. Once the form is approved by the approver, the integrator will be notified that the data can be posted to the business process. You can view the POV of the data intersection where supplemental data will be posted. This lets you extend your business process database to get a more granular level of detail for supplemental data. You can drill back to the supplemental data details from a data within your business process. Select an information block and right-click to see the Drill Through option. You can monitor your supplemental data collection activities. Based on a collection interval, you can view tasks that are open or completed by workflow dimensions, form, collection, or frequency. From the compliance dashboard, you can see who is on time, late or rejected, and find out bottlenecks and issues. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.